Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And as you see on my desktop, uh, Filmora 12 is roll out, and as you see, I'm just upgrading. I have purchased this Filmora, and this is grateful, and thankful software program for your PCs who made your video screen recorder, video editing, or whatever you want. This is the really great. And as you see now, I'm downloading. Just I'm go to, and as you see, it's 11. You see on my now. See 11.0.6, and this is the latest version, of course, of Filmora. What is came out, and now I'm downloading. I really like Filmora. I like Camtasia, but Filmora, it's really thanks for lots of. And what is new? What I was looking in the first moment. This is a few seconds. They have put a lot of animation overlays. Out effects, everything. It's really lots new stuff on this Filmora, and stability is great. So guys and the girls, of course, purchase your Filmora 12 and record your PC screen, your game video editing, whatever you want. You have audio effects, everything. It's really great, and sound is uh, better for me. What I was see and hear, sound is really clear and soft and better. You can make soft as you go to settings. You can see here or there. Sorry. Uh, you can choose advanced settings, and you can choose soft sound and clear sound, and you see here what is instant mode, screen recorder, auto frame rate, and you see here how is little change these icons and what I like. And that will be all for now. What I will talk, because I'll talk with on my narrator. And you see here templates, Christmas templates you have now for Christmas time and Eve time. So it's really great songs, overlays, everything is having you. You can record your intro very easy. It's really easy. Great intro to create on this Filmora. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my channel, and bye.